Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to use the back tap on your iPhone. To use the back tap on your iPhone, it's very simple. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to open up the settings on your iPhone. As you can see, we are inside the settings of this iPhone. So once you open up the settings on your iPhone, the next thing I want you to do here, I want you to scroll down a little bit and tap on accessibility. So we have the accessibility here. So let's tap on accessibility. So guys, once you tap on the accessibility, it will load up another page for you. On this page, I want you to scroll down a little bit and tap on touch. So let's tap on touch. So once you tap on touch, it will bring up another page for you. So once it loads up this page, what I want you to do on this page is this. I want you to scroll down all the way to the bottom. So once you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you are going to see where it says back tap. I want you to tap on that back tap. As you can see, the back tap is off. So once you tap on the back tap, it will load up another page for you. On this page, it will ask you, do you want to enable the double tap or the triple tap? What this means is this. Do you want to turn on the double tap? That is, whenever you tap at the back of your phone 2 times, tap, it will open up the action you choose. Or do you want to tap on it 3 times? So let's say for the sake of this video, you want to enable the double tap. So once you tap on the double tap, it will load up this page for you. On this page, it will ask you to choose the action you want the double tap to perform. Let's say whenever I tap at the back of my phone twice, I want it to open the camera for me. So I will just look over here and choose the camera. But if your own is this, if you want to, by tapping at the back of your phone 2 times, if you want it to open the lock screen for you, or you want it to open up the city for you, or you want it to open the front camera for you, you just want to choose the action you want on this page. Once you choose your preferred action over here, it will be activated immediately. This means whatever you choose here, whenever you tap at the back of your phone 2 times, tap, it will open up the action for you immediately. So guys, this is how to activate or use the back tap on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.